The article had two aspects. There was a personal aspect, which goes without saying, but then overlaid on that there was the Nazi theme aspect.
Yes.
And both must have caused you concern, but the Nazi theme was particularly damaging, is that right?
Well, yes. I mean, the other theme was straightforward invasion of privacy, which I thought was outrageous and illegal. But the Nazi allegation was completely untrue, and to me particularly enormously damaging. And I was outraged by that.
Were you given any idea about how much the litigation might cost before you embarked on it?
Yes. I mean, when I had my first meeting with counsel, they explained to me very carefully that, first of all, there's no such thing as certainty in litigation, which I was already aware of, obviously. That if I lost, it would cost £1 million or more. If I won, it would still cost tens of thousands of pounds. By taking the matter to court, the entire private information which I was complaining about would be rehearsed again, but in public, all the press there, with the benefit of absolute privilege for anything that was said, and that at the end of all of that, no judge could remove the private information from the public mind. Indeed, by going to court, I was augmenting the degree to which the public were aware of it. But taking all that into account, I thought what they'd done was so outrageous. I wanted to get these people into the witness box and demonstrate that they were liars. And the only way to do that was to put up with this extremely risky and unpleasant process, which I then decided to do.
Well, the only other choice was to pack up your tent and beat a retreat, presumably.
Indeed. And of course, first of all, I felt that was the wrong thing to do, because even if I went to some obscure village in the Andes, within a week or two, people would know about it, thanks to the News of the World putting it on the internet. But I also felt that this was typical of some of the things they do. And I was somebody who, fortunately, had the means and a little bit of legal knowledge, and within 18 months would be free to concentrate anyway. I felt if I don't do it, I don't know who's going to. Because the number of people they pick on with a really bad case who've got the means to fight it is it's infinitesimally small. And it really, I mean, one of the terrible things is that unless you're very fortunate and happen to have a bit of money, you simply can't take this on, as things stand at the moment.